We know how destructive the fossil fuel industry's pollution is to climate change, but just how deadly is this glass of cow's milk? Did you know the US Institute for Agriculture and Trade Policy has reported that the meat and dairy industries are on track to becoming the single largest contributor to climate change, outpacing even that of the fossil fuel industry? Globally, milk is the top agricultural commodity in terms of economic value. In 2019, the industry was worth more than 340 billion US dollars. So what can we do? Well, we can reduce and even stop our dairy intake and use the ever-growing range of alternatives that have a lower impact on climate change. But don't leave the millions of dairy farmers high and dry. Demand our governments assist and support dairy farmers in transitioning to more beneficial agricultural practices.